Beans in the teens, getting close, 12.93 in soybeans futures today. Soybeans captured this move. Soybean swing. It's been a strong move higher in soybeans, to say the least. And you have to wonder about inflation. Heard today that the dollar has lost 14%. I think 14% of its value in the last 4 years. So that would indicate higher inflation, and we are seeing higher soybeans prices. Now, I'm not saying that soybeans is indicative of long-term inflation, but typically when inflation is higher, commodity prices are higher, interest rates move higher, and stocks become less attractive. So one way to trade this is soybean swing. Taking the long trades. There's some other soybeans trades today I want to show you, or actually the last couple of days. And this is the 25K portfolio, by the way. 25K, 50K, depending on your broker and margins, it could be a different dollar amount required to trade this. I'm going to come back to this. I want to show you soybeans. The day trader strategy captured 312.50 today. Looks very small. It used the trailing stop loss. If you would have turned that off, it would have taken this all the way into the close. Yesterday, SR Counter Trend 2 captured this move. Soybeans Day Trader 3 captured this yesterday. Here is Soybean Swing. It took a short trade yesterday. Probably focused mainly on long trades right now, but there is some opportunities to short it if it's overbought. But in a strong bull market, that's always hard to determine. So I like these long trades in soybeans, like being up $1,500 per contract in soybeans today. And once again, that is in the 25K, 50K portfolio. Here is the 25K, 50K portfolio updated for 2021. All we did was change Cobra 3, added a profit target on it instead of non-profit target version, and that reduced the drawdown by 3,000. And it's currently in a 52.40 drawdown, so it's a good time to start trading it. I always prefer to start in a drawdown and after a losing month. These are the results with the new setup, and this is through yesterday, December the 28th, 42.40, and you see what happened in October after a losing month. And today, or as of yesterday, 46.65. The trades on the day are plus 1,500 in swing soybeans. Right at break even on Cobra 3, we could get a sell-off today, maybe a big trade in Cobra 3. Gap continue, lost on the day, minus 325. SR Counter Trend 2, minus 825. So about plus 400 on the day with these current open positions. And we will see how this ends. This will hold overnight, Soybean Swing. I have a bonus setup if you are doing an annual subscription on this through Monday, January the 4th. I know we're anxious to get started here on the New Year's, and some want to start trading, get prepared. Some want to wait to see how January looks, but January is traditionally a strong month. Adding 5 new strategies. If you have the capital, this requires more capital. These are using TradeStation margins. The original version requires about 63K at TradeStation. 63K at TradeStation. It's a 25K, 50K portfolio, but as you know, margins went up. You could trade this with 50K though, because not all systems trade at the same time. And this one requires 96K if all systems trade at the same time, which it never does. So you could trade with probably less than that, 75K, maybe a little bit less. But this is 15 strategies. With an annual subscription, you get these extra 5 strategies. It's not the recommended portfolio because I like how the base portfolio is a low frequency, more conservative strategy because it doesn't trade as much. I like that about this portfolio. And this one has slightly larger drawdown. It trades more frequently, so it's more aggressive. So keeping in the nature of the original portfolio, that will be the recommended base portfolio because we want a low frequency portfolio in our setups. This one adds 5 additional strategies, so it trades a little more, and you can see how it would have done on the year. Plus 74K here, plus 93K in 2018, plus 55K, 43K, 30K. Very strong Januaries, and it adds 5 new strategies. Let's take a look at those 5 new strategies that it adds. This is included with an annual subscription. So if you have the capital, you want to trade this for the entire year, just get the annual subscription, and you will be enabled to add these additional strategies. Soybeans Day Trader 3, SR Counter Trend 3, Crude Oil B, SR Counter Trend 3, Crude Oil or Gold B, SR Counter Trend 3, Natural Gas. These are all overnight strategies too. So you have more overnight risk, and then you have VIX OC, which gets in the new session, will exit before the session ends. So it's kind of a 24-hour strategy. So that is one thing you could do. One of the some of you have your feedback is that this portfolio doesn't trade very much. You want more trades, and so that's the opportunity. 5 additional strategies with the annual subscription. Get a few more trades in there, and have more opportunities to take more trades with this setup. Again, it's the bonus through January the 4th.